Hey, what's up, guys? So what we're gonna be doing today is pretty much I'm gonna teach you what apps I'm using to build my following very fast. Now, these apps do cost money. However, they're very, very, very effective, and I do 100% believe that this is a really, really good investment. You guys should really, really look at this, learn from it, and then take it upon yourselves to actually use this app. It has helped me a lot, and I know it can help you guys too. So check it out. Alright, guys, so pretty much I'm going to show you the apps that I use to help build my following. So the first one I'm going to demonstrate is Cleaner. What Cleaner is pretty much an app that cleans out your Instagram. So people who are not following you back or anything, this is to unfollow them. So what's cool about this, you can set up your settings. You can either put 50 actions. I always put 200 because that's the maximum. You know, we only can follow 200 people every 5 minutes. So the first thing is to set it up on your settings. So the maximum batch actions are 200. You don't have to filter the following list. You don't have to do all that. Select inactive users who were 30 days. You know, you want people who are always active. You know, you don't want inactive people into your Instagram because they won't build engagement with you. And another cool thing about this is that you could select your media too. So instead of deleting it individually, you could actually select it and delete it all in one shot. And the same thing with the pictures that you liked. Say if your girlfriend's very jealous, doesn't like that you're liking girls' pictures, you could also delete that too in one shot. So let's go to pretty much your following. Okay, check it out. Alright, so what you have to do is that they get everybody that you're following, and you have to like scroll down. Like you see right there, it says 200 loaded, now 399 loaded, and you just I go all the way to 2,000 sometimes. It depends on you, on how many people you're following. But the point is just to keep going, and once you have that figured out, you go to quick select. Once you go there, you could choose either non-followers, ghost followers, inactive followers, or users who do not have a profile view. And I'm going to go for people who don't follow me back. So right now it's processing. So right now they're just finding all the people who do not follow me. If you see the yellow, these are people who do not follow you. So these are the people you don't want to follow. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna process it to get everybody who's not following me back. And what I'm gonna do is unfollow them with a click of a button. Sounds good? Cool. Just letting it load real quick. Alright. And then from there, go to actions and unfollow. And here's another thing. They have a whitelist too. So all the people that you want to follow, you can put them in the whitelist too. But right now, that's not necessary. Just so with a click of a button, I'm unfollowing 200 people because I can't follow 947 people at the same time. You know, Instagram will not let me. They only allow maximum 200, like I was telling you guys before. So instead of clicking each and every individual, button to unfollow everybody, I'm just using the app and unfollows 200 people less than 30 minutes. It's phenomenal. You save so much time. And what I do is I just set a timer for 5 minutes, chilling, relax. And when the beeper goes off, I start doing it again.